Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel where we share science-based information on health and wellness. Today, we're going to be talking about common vision myths and whether or not they hold any truth. Myth number 1, sitting too close to the TV will damage your eyes. While this is a common belief, it's actually not true. Sitting too close to the TV can cause eye strain and fatigue, but it won't cause any permanent damage to your eyes. However, it's still important to practice good viewing habits, such as taking breaks and sitting at a comfortable distance from the screen. Myth number 2, reading in dim light will ruin your eyesight. Similarly, reading in low light can cause eye strain and make it more difficult to focus, but it won't cause any permanent damage to your eyes. However, it's still important to read in well-lit areas to reduce eye fatigue and make it easier to focus on the text. Myth number 3, wearing glasses or contacts will make your eyesight worse. This is a common myth, but it's not true. Wearing glasses or contacts will not make your eyesight worse, but it will help you see more clearly and reduce eye strain. Myth number 4, eating carrots will improve your eyesight. While carrots are a good source of vitamin A, which is important for eye health, eating them won't improve your eyesight beyond what is normal for you. However, a balanced diet that includes fruits and vegetables can help maintain overall eye health. Myth number 5, if you have perfect vision, you don't need to see an eye doctor. Even if you have perfect vision, it's still important to see an eye doctor regularly for comprehensive eye exams. Eye exams can help detect potential eye problems early on, even before you experience symptoms. So there you have it, some common vision myths debunked. Remember, it's important to take care of your eyes and practice good eye health habits, but don't believe everything you hear about vision. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe to our channel for more science-based health information.